Hi there, welcome to the NextJs and TailwindCss course. Before starting this intro, let me quiz you. What is the difference between a library and a framework? What do you think? Let me know. And while you're thinking about this, I'll tell you this. ReactJs is a library. NextJs is a framework. NextJs is a complete React framework. You remember while you were working with ReactJs that you needed to build your database somewhere, create your API in the middle, and then connect your API to your front end, which is React, by using Fetch or Axios. Now think of NextJS as having all these under one umbrella. So within one package, you are able to create your database, you're able to create your APIs, and then you're able to create your front end, which is React, all under one umbrella. And that is what the NextJS framework offers. Now let's talk about TailwindCss. So you may be familiar with other CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Material UI. But what makes TailwindCss different or most preferred, especially recently, is because it is utility first, of its utility first approach to styling your elements. So for instance, if you take the p tag, you just, within the tag itself, you just specify your style and that is it, you're good to go. Unlike in previous styling sequences or processes like working with raw CSS where you need to create separate files for your styles and other procedures. So TailwindCss uses a utility-first approach, which has made it so popular in recent times and makes it as well very easy to work with. So I'll tell you what we're going to learn on this course. First of all, we're going to learn about the Next.js structure, and we're going to talk about the pages. One fascinating thing about Next.js is how the file structure is used to set up routing. So you do not need to create any hook for the routes, unlike how it was done in real React. Over here, we use the paging system to structure the routes, and it's very interesting, very easy. Again, we're going to look at how to fetch data. So we're going to look at fetching data using Next.js. We're going to work with API routes and then creating API endpoints. Again, we're going to look at how to make our web application SEO friendly. By SEO, I mean search engine optimization. So we're going to optimize our application to make it friendly to search engines like Google and the others. Again, we're going to deploy our Next.js app to a hosting service. So all these are going to be done in this course. And so at the end of this course, we should be able to build a full stack, fully functional web responsive application using Next.js and TailwindCss. And as I said earlier, deploy this to a hosting service. So if this excites you, again, consider our prerequisites, check any requirements you might need. Sending your application is really important to us, and we're desperately waiting for the application. So send it to us, and then we will be on the other side waiting for it. All the best in your application, and see you later.